Hi guys, welcome to the Metabolic Health YouTube channel. I'm so happy you came today, and guess what? I have my trainer here, Carly, here to join us again to share some tips, because so many people have an ideal of exercise. They want to exercise, they've been thinking about exercise, but they haven't quite gotten to it. So one of the ways to really make sure you're doing that and you're actually aligning with your goals for your health is to have someone who walks with you. So today Carly's going to share a few tips on why it's so important to have a trainer in your life. So what do you think, Carly?
Yeah, so I can rant about this subject all day, but I narrowed it down to 5 quick points. So point number 1 is accountability. So personal trainer is going to hold you accountable to your appointment time and maybe some like homework outside of your guys' meeting times. Second would be efficiency. So we don't have a lot of time, and super busy people like want to maximize the time with the personal trainer. So personal trainer is going to make sure you get the most bang for your buck with the time that you're being spent together. Point number 3 is making a program that suits your needs to where you're beginning to where you want to go to. So sometimes people might, it's like you don't know where to start. Maybe you start with something that's like a little too high intensity for where you're beginning, and then you might have an injury, and then you kind of get delayed. So a personal trainer will do a movement assessment, see where you're at, and then take that information to move you forward to where you want to go, which is what I do with Tony.
Yeah. Hold that thought for a second.
Let's hear what you got to say.
Because I, as you were pausing, I was thinking about something that's really important, which is why a metabolic health doc is excited about exercise. Number 1 is I feel like Benjamin Button. Seriously, I feel like I'm aging in reverse. I'm 56 now, and I feel like I'm 30. And although my low-carb, keto, carnivore journey has really helped me, it's been really nice to feel like I'm younger than I was when I was 30, which is really crazy. The other part is this energy thing. You know, my energy level is amazingly high, and literally I was just sharing with Carly, how many patients am I going to be seeing on Monday and Tuesday?
30-some.
30-some.
It's a long day.
That's a long day, right? So I need to have energy so that every single patient actually has the full benefit of Dr. Hampton. Another thing that comes to mind is what Carly said. She said structure, right? Now, I'm so busy, if it's not on my schedule, I'm not going to do it. I can say I'm going to do it, but Carly will text me the day before I have to work out. Yeah, nudge, nudge. And I'm like, I always laugh when I get those texts. So having structure and somebody in your life for that reason is amazing. And even climbing the stairs. I'm on the 3rd floor of my clinic, Carly. And to get to that 3rd floor is kind of challenging when you get short of breath when you do it, which is really embarrassing almost. So now I can climb those stairs without feeling that shortness of breath. But more importantly, at home, I sleep better, which is crazy. I hadn't even thought about that, but my sleep is better and my stress is better because of that. And lastly, because I have more energy and I can get through that busy day seeing 30 patients, I actually have more time for my family, because if I come home and I'm tired, I just want to go to sleep. But now I actually have time to hang out with my family. So, and those are the things that kind of come to mind. But finally, for those of you who are trying low carb, keto, carnivore, and you're really like wanting to add exercise, but you're not really sure if you should or shouldn't, I consider exercise a weight loss maintenance tool. So if you've lost weight and you want to maintain that, this is a great way to do it. But also, I call myself the Metabolic Health Doc, and I do that because metabolic health is so important. And when you exercise, you actually improve your metabolic health. So those are the things that come to mind. Any other thoughts you want to add to the conversation, Carly?
Yeah. So, you know, another sense, like when we're doing like when we're starting a new habit and we're working towards like a goal, having a sense of community. So having someone such as a coach, personal trainer, will help give you that sense of community where it's like, I'm texting you, I'm checking in on stuff in between appointments. You come in and see me and I'm asking, hey, how's your shoulder? You know, it was a little stiff the other day. Did it, you know, how did you feel after your workout? Do we need to make adjustments to that? And also to celebrate your victories.
Yes.
So that's really fun to have someone that knows what you're going through and what it's all about, and to celebrate those moments with you. And then lastly, I guess my final point is someone to have fun with. You know, so
you call this fun?
Yes, absolutely,
Okay.
absolutely. Some days it's not fun. Some days
right.
it's a bit of a grind.
That's right.
You know, even for me, it's like it can be like pulling teeth, but it's finding that delayed gratification where sometimes it's not super incentivizing or motivating in the moment, but then once you're done and then throughout time as you move forward, it's like, wow, my energy is a lot better.
God.
I feel stronger and more stable. I can do things with my family that I couldn't have done before.
That's right.
And that's where like the magic happens. That's where it becomes fun.
That's right, and especially for my seniors who see me at clinic, being able to do stuff with the grandkids and the great-grandkids, and to be here for them is amazing. So sounds like we may have given them 6 tips.
Yeah,
so we got a bonus. That little pause led to a bonus, guys.
Yes.
Plus the doctor's bonus. So my shirt today is not Carly's shirt, but it's my Walk with a Doc shirt, which I used to participate with my health system at Advocate Trinity Hospital. So it's okay to walk with a doc, but I would also say walk with a trainer.
Yeah.
And if you do that, you'll find yourself achieving your health-related goals. So I thank you guys for coming to this video. I have a link to Carly's website because she actually does virtual training as well for those who are interested. I'm really excited about my future with Carly. I hope you guys find a trainer that works for you as well. And until we have another video from the Metabolic Health Doc, continue to be safe, be well, and continue to protect your nest.